What's happening, everybody? So welcome back to One Acre Fam. So today we are in Texas still. We're going to be traveling here in a couple days. We haven't been able to get out much because we had all these other little incidents that happened, but today we're going to go out to Denton, to Buc-ee's, because it's something the kids want to see so bad because of their favorite YouTubers. Kara and Nate went there, so they're absolutely in love with it. Also, if you look right behind me, right here, we did a thing. We are now officially Texas residents, and we have driver's licenses now, and the truck is registered, and so is the trailer in Texas. We're so excited. So we're gonna hit the road and go see Buc-ee's now. Who's ready to go to Buc-ee's?
Buc-ee's! Buc-ee's! We're gonna be true Texans on the board. We're gonna be brisket on the board. We're gonna be true Texans today.
Who's officially a Texan?
We have Texan license plates.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, and driver's
We're
license.
Texans. We're not Californians. Let's go. Buc-ee's. Time for Buc-ee's.
Ready? What do they say at Buc-ee's?
Fresh brisket on the board. Fresh brisket on the board.
All right, let's do this.
Fresh made in-house soda.
Go down. Oh my God. All right, we are at Buc-ee's. Are you excited for it?
Yes, I can't wait to see what this is about, how the food is. We've heard good stuff about it.
So Drew says it would, if Walmart had a baby,
it would be Buc-ee's.
It would be Buc-ee's.
I think he heard that somewhere.
He heard it from somewhere. Where did you hear it from, him?
Kara and Nate.
Kara and Nate?
Kara and Nate.
Yeah. Brooklyn got to drive a cart. What's that?
Oh, that's so cute.
Like what I got Juliet when she was born.
So
oh
funny.
My gosh, this place is insane. Why do you have this? Like, let's not do
They think they're going to buy a bunch of stuff today.
It doesn't feel real.
Oh, I might have to get some of this.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
Yeah, we went down there. We're just starting.
We're just starting at Buc-ee's.
I know, I see him. We hear him say, fresh.
Oh, I'm waiting for it.
Oh, that's the brisket. They have homemade sodas here, like fresh made in-house soda.
They're lazy Susan. They're handmade.
Look at this one.
It's a mini one.
Is it a Lazy Susan?
Yes.
We may have to get that for our table. Was your mom right about it?
OMG, my mother was right about everything.
It was made me right about it. Something I will never say.
Oh yeah? I got that down for you, don't worry. Go down.
Hey, Daddy has a cup like that, but it says #1 Flaw Shop. I got it. Dad, it doesn't feel real being here. It's just so much. That's zoomed in. If you guys ever are in Texas, you have to come here. It's awesome. Who gets Buc-ee up there?
It's a marble dispenser, and you put the wine bottle in it.
She that's taking it to a whole new level right there.
No kidding. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Andrew, they have the Star Wars trail. They have a Mandalorian look at them. Oh, see? No. No. Andrew, look it. No.
Oh, what do you do?
I think I want to sleep though. Well, that's how I was trying to stop it, but. How did that work? You just suck it back in and go.
It's like a grill.
The wall.
Huh? I wonder how compact that is.
Well, there's-
It's like the rubber chicken, but it's a cow.
oh my gosh.
Here you go.
What is this thing?
It's an ice bucket.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, Brooklyn. Nobody wants to.
Dude, Mom, this is a dangerous place.
Okay. So I think we're all on overload. There's so much to see and look at here.
Look it.
What'd you
I got
get?
a buc-ee.
Yeah, we caved in your house. You excited?
And he's only $6.
That's it?
And he's gonna be 6 years old because I'm 6 years old. He's gonna be 6 years old.
And we're gonna try the beaver nuggets because we heard they're really good. They're not good for you, but they're supposed to be really good.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
To all three.
It says moving on and it has Texas.
Oh, that's really cute.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get a magnet.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, come on, guys.
That is so.
Road less travel.
All right. What time is it, Tori?
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day.
Neither have I.
Neither have I.
Huh?
We're all hungry. Let's go eat.
That's if we could all get a fudge. And then
If Homer had a baby, it would be buc-ee's. That's thirsty.
apple pie.
But Daddy, buc-ee's have water.
Someone he decided on?
Yeah. Hot pickle bites.
Hot pickle bites.
Okay, do you want to get a drink?
Sure.
Look, it's so
Oh, 79 cents. Come on.
So this, I just want
What do you want to drink?
I want. See, they have house-made sodas.
Ew. Holy cow. Here, this one's
Strawberry
yours.
lemonade.
What are you guys getting?
Drew wants an M&M fudge. Nate wants an M&M fudge. You want M&M, right?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Two.
What are you guys getting?
Rui, I would hold on to that so it doesn't spill, dude.
Yes, please. That's easy.
You want to do the blueberry cheesecake?
Yeah, do the blueberry cheesecake.
Yeah. Do you want to mint chocolate or do you want a key lime?
They have mint
Well, let's do the key lime.
Okay, key lime. Key lime.
Look at that.
What is ridiculously cheap ice?
All right, we made it out. It only cost us $200 in food and knickknacks and whatever. But it was cool.
It was really fun.
So now we're gonna try the food out. We're gonna head out and eat and see what it's all about. All right, this is our Buc-ee's haul.
Not all of it.
Not all of it, just the food portion.
Just the food portion.
That's right.
there's one thing we can't quite figure out about since we've been in Texas, but it feels like every day is in hyperspeed.
It's so
Before
weird.
we know it, it's like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're like, oh,
We're just now eating lunch.
We're just now eating lunch, and the day's almost done. We don't
Oh
understand
my
it.
god, it's at 6:30 this morning.
Yeah.
Scott. That's early.
Later, you want to fudge.
Fudge? Oh man, you all are lucky little kids if you get fudge for dessert.
You guys listening?
You wouldn't let me buy it.
Aww.
Now we bought buc-ee's on crack.
He calls it buc-ee's on crack.
Oh, we got those too.
Oh, you can't quit eating it.
Oh, great.
It tastes like kettle corn, basically.
Oh, it's
It's like popcorn with sugar on it.
We need to get cards made.
we have if you come up, we're in Guthrie.
Okay. Oh, wait, perfect stuff for you. My aunt doesn't have it in the room.
Okay.
So that's like southern.
But if you come up that way, we live on a farm, and
Oh my god. We are retired.
and so everybody's always asking me for business card. Well, I've done swimming pools for over 30 some years.
Okay.
I don't want to do swimming pools anymore, and I don't want to get me a swimming pool card.
I want to be retired.
I want somebody says I'm done.
That's so awesome.
So, but we just laugh. But if you're ever that way, holler at us
Oh my
because
gosh, we would love that.
we're gonna.
Break down.
Or if you break down, holler at us.
Okay.
Hopefully not, but
I'm going to save this. I'm going to find you on Facebook too.
Find me on Facebook
Okay.
because we come through here. My cousin and his wife live over in McKinney,
Oh yeah, yeah.
and they have a motor home, and they just bought a boat another boat in Florida, and so we're gonna be going back and forth and stuff.
Oh,
so
cool.
awesome.
It's pretty like Destin, but it's like the old machine.
Yeah.
Because you're right on the time zone, because one end of the area is on a different time zone than this side.
Yeah.
So you have to kind of pay attention to what time it
Our
is.
plan is to do Florida because we're going to be wintering down in South Padre Island.
What the heck is that? It's a wasp.
Oh. And then, so then we're going to head that way towards Florida.
Well, cool. Well, if
it's so nice
ever
to
in
chat with you
Oklahoma, you holler at us.
Yes,
Right.
thank
Well, you
you.
guys-
All right. Y'all have a good trip.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Thanks. Are you ready, bud? Are you done?
Was there a reward in
I
there?
love meeting people.
No. I do too.
God dang.
That's what's so cool about this life.
Okay, so that's a wrap.
Yeah.
What's the verdict, Tori?
Oh my gosh. Like,
Come back here every day.
yeah, we love it. I think next time we're gonna try the made to order food. Like
Yeah.
you can go to a kiosk and you order it and they have, I didn't even see it until after we were done
Yeah,
eating
we
this,
were
but
so fixated on
it
everything else.
doesn't even matter because this was so good.
Oh, so good. So
So I think next time we'll do that and try that. We just met the nicest people who pulled up and asked us what we were having for dessert. So Josh just told him like, oh, we bought fudge, and he's like, she just was like, went on, and then we started talking.
Yeah.
She ended up giving us her card, invited us up to their farm in Guthrie, Oklahoma. Drew just got the truck driver to pump.
yeah.
Anyways, so yeah, so like that, this is like what's so amazing about this life is like
So
you
rad.
just meet people. Like we're standing at the back of the truck eating lunch, and then they just pulled up and started a conversation.
Yeah.
And we're like, and then next thing we know, we're invited to their farm. That is so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Anyways,
All right.
I think we're good. We're gonna head back.
Yeah.
Got a couple things to do. Get ready to pack up tomorrow, and then head on.
Yep. So
Texas has been good.
yes, it has.
It was a bumpy ride, a bumpy start, but we overcame.
Yep. That's all that matters.
And we're
We're
at
gonna
Buc-ee.
make our journey to. We've been to California, New Mexico, and also
Arizona,
Arizona,
and now
and Mexico,
no Texas.
Texas.
We're in Texas now. Yep. Say bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.